What's up, guys? It's John, better known as Mr. Bones, and today we're going to be following along with the snowstorm that's hitting Michigan, and we're supposed to get up to 28 inches of snow within 24 hours. So starting now at 6, almost 7 in the morning, it is 36 degrees with a low of 20 and a high of 53. We're going to see how close we get to that, but we're also going to watch how fast the snow is supposed to fly in, because it's going to be coming in at almost 2 inches an hour by that logic. So, stay tuned, get ready to watch some snow show up, and maybe we'll go up to the park to get a better look at all the action. Alright, not too sure how well it will pick me up out here, but it is currently 7:25 in the morning.
It's 7:25 a.m.
That's what I just said. And you might be able to see a little bit. We got a little bit of flurries here. Nothing really yet. But I'll keep you updated when more comes down so we can see how fast this stuff develops. Well, just an hour later, it is quite a bit brighter. Definitely a little bit colder. Definitely a little bit more snow. Nothing to write home about yet. Temperature check. It's 33 degrees. It is also currently 8:30 in the morning. I don't know. It's gonna get interesting, that's for sure. Honestly, I'm getting to the point where if it weren't for memories, I wouldn't have most of my socials. Well, I find myself now feeling much better after eating that. Had turkey, cream cheese, and American cheese. I thought it was pretty tasty. I like it. Oh man. It looks worse than it is. Let's go check it out. Right. Back at it again. It's a little bit later. 10-ish now. We're gonna check with our special little finger here about how deep we are. Yeah. So I'd say not very deep at all. Not much has really actually happened except for just a little bit of snow. Other than that, kind of just looks like the start of winter. So I do conclude no snowstorm yet. Alright. May not look the best, but yeah, while the wonderful winter world outside is doing its thing, I'm kind of trying to think of upgrades for the desk. I don't really like being able to see a ton this way or see a ton that way. Sorry, I just shoved my hand in your face. So I put this piece of wood here, which shores up to make this gap minimal to where I can see out there when I need to, but when I don't, it helps reflect more light and allows me to feel more tuned into my desk. And on this side, just to keep from impeding the cats too much, I got this one as well, which keeps them from jumping down on this corner, which can be a little bit sharp, and just keeps them safer, as well as it gives me a way to hang stuff there and a way to hang stuff there. Plus they have their nice little cat condo, if you will, and makes this feel a lot more work oriented. So yeah, that's the project. Well, when I first came up, not much going on. Now, Oh yeah, so I was just sitting here, kind of coming up with some more ideas while chilling out. One of the things that I did was added these two coat hooks so I could hang this headset a little bit higher. Just kind of keeps it out of the way, mostly for like the cup being there. I don't really want to accidentally set my headset in there. Plus, if I'm wearing those ones, then these will be on there. Vice versa, if I need to set these anywhere else. I'll try to show it better this time, but this is a little like hook thing. I don't know. I use it for my keys, but it works for this as well. But yeah, while I was there, you might have already just caught a glimpse. 69 freaking followers, man. Thank you so much. Y'all are slowly just helping me make this dream possible. Every day that I look and I see a new subscriber, it makes me overcome with joy. Like I just refreshed this to look at it, see how everything was going, see if there was any new comments or anything, and just seeing it one more. The day that crosses 70, I'm gonna lose my mind. The day that it crosses 100, I don't know. We got to come up with some milestone markers, because if we keep growing like this, 100's gonna be here soon enough. So you know what? In the comment, let me know if you have a challenge that I should try for 100, or if I should try doing like a certain video, or you know, I don't know, just let me know some ideas. I'd love to hear what I could do to repay 100 people saying that they want to spend their time watching my time. So, thanks. So, not exactly how I imagined it going. Supposedly we're still supposed to get the 28, but not fully at the same time. I don't really know. This is the current situation. There's definitely a bit more snow coming down. I think I'm gonna find some warm food to eat and close that. Yeah, that can stay out there. Are you guys staying warm? She's definitely staying warm. Are you staying warm, Nikoni? Are you staying warm? Are you staying warm, Rikasaurus Rex? Well, so this is what it looks like out front. Not much better. Hey, take the cart. I don't know. My brain, sometimes, it's a wonky one up there. So, I'm just glad it works most of the time, honestly. Yeah, back to food. Well, after a relatively productive morning and first half of the day, it's almost 4 o'clock, and I'm gonna take full advantage of the fact that my chair reclines and lay back, chill out, listen to some music for a minute, and wait till whatever comes next, which is probably gaming, so. Well, not gonna be out here very long because it's cold as shit. But a little while later, this is it. It's just windy and cold. More specifically, with my phone dying, 25 degrees. Yeah. Not much. I just woke up, so I'll explain more in a minute. Well, now I'm kind of nice, comfy, and cozy. I don't know what the heck I was planning on explaining next. I literally I got tired, laid back in my chair, started falling asleep. Say, yep, chair's still not very comfy. I'm gonna go lay in bed for a little bit. So I took like a nice hour, almost hour and a half, 2-hour nap. But I feel better now. I'm just wanting to be bundled up, so I'm in my OG superhero blanket and got my hat on. But yeah, that's all the explanation was. Also, if you haven't seen it before, stick to the end, and I'll have some like time lapses of the snow. I don't know if they're gonna fit in well at the beginning, so if you see them already, cool. I hope they look good. If you haven't, then they're gonna look even better because they're at the end. So, yeah. Now I'm gonna go play some games, and I might do a live stream. So, gotta like dip to do that. So I'll see you in a bit. Well, guys, though I had some time sleeping and had a little bit of an annoyance feeling after that because we were trying to play some Rocket League and it sucked. That aside from the point, had a great night hanging out with my best friend, or one of my best friends, and also thanks to him, got Chinese food, so that was nice. Yeah, ultimately had a pretty good day. Last time I checked outside, it's a little more snow on the ground, but not much. Nothing like the 28 inches they were saying we were getting. I'll check back in the morning, but you'll have to check next vlog to see that. So, I'm going to let y'all go, and I'll see you on another one. Adios, and a peace for now. Love y'all.
Ripple in the water, let the good vibes flow. Plant seeds of change, watch the garden grow. Energy, electric sparking in the crowd. Positivity louder than the thunder.